Hi, my name is Vivian Kitt. I'm one of the ophthalmology registrars at the Royal Free Hospital. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make the Jain free eye. This is a simulation model used to teach junior ophthalmologists how to perform strabismus surgery. So in order to make this eye, you will need a corkboard as well as some table tennis balls. You'll also require some googly eyes and a box of pins. Now we'll also be requiring some foam material as well as some felt. Okay, and last but not least, we will be requiring some stationery and a glue gun. So let's start the making process. To simulate the sclera, we'll be preparing the foam material. So we'll be producing 2 strips, each 7 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. Make a mark at 7 centimeters and again at 3 centimeters and in the middle at 1.5. Now complete the lines and this will give you 2 strips which we will cut, one in its entirety and the other in the middle to give 2 smaller strips at 3.5. Now after cutting the material, you should have 1 long piece and 2 smaller pieces. To simulate muscles, cut the felt 1 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And cut these into strips. You'll require 1 strip for each muscle. Let's put it together now. So using the corkboard as the base, we're going to glue a pin to the base of our tennis ball. Some glue and attach the ball to the base. You next want to attach the foam. You'll be attaching one across and the smaller pieces either side. Now attach a googly eye to the centre if available. If not, you can easily draw a circle to replicate the cornea. You now want to make a mark at 6 millimeters from the cornea for where you'll attach the muscles. Now to attach the muscles, apply a small amount of glue to the edge and stick this at your 6 millimeter mark and repeat on all 4 corners. Finally, you can stick down each individual muscle using these pins. You can also vary the tension by moving the pins closer or further away from the model eye. Now, to simulate the subtenons layer, cling film can be attached to the ball at all four corners. Apply glue in between each muscle onto the table tennis ball itself. And then apply cling film loosely at all four edges. To simulate conjunctiva, get a surface wipe, fold directly in half and in half again, and at the very corner make a small cut and open it up to show a small aperture which will lay over our cornea. The conjunctiva can then be pinned down into place